Let me show you how to add displacement to your landscape. We can do this easily with Megascans materials. Go Add, go Quixel Bridge, and go Surfaces. And over here choose the ground texture. I'll go with this rocky forest floor. And choose the quality and add to the project. Now go to the editor and go to your downloaded surface. Over here create new material. Open it, and you will see that we don't have a displacement pin available. To enable it, first save your project and open your project location. You can easily do this by clicking on Content and select Show in Explorer. Go up one level. And over here go to the config folder, open the default engine with Notepad, and add these two lines below this shadow contrast line here. You have them in the description. And make sure you save the file. Close it. Now restart your project. Now go to your Megascans folder and open the material we created. You can see that now we have our displacement pin enabled. Nice. Now we need to drag textures to the blueprint. Connect it as you see. On the left side, go to the displacement section. And over here you can change the magnitude of the displacement. So put something like 0.06. Hit apply. Now let's quickly create one simple level. Add landscape. Choose size and delete floor. Now before we add material, over here under the console command, paste the same values from before but without the equation mark. You can copy paste from the description also. Save everything. Now add our material to the landscape material. Nothing happens. We need to go down and enable Nanite. Click Build Data. As you can see, we have our material, but it's very small, so let's scale it a bit. Go to Material Blueprint and add Texture Coordinate node. And connect to each texture UVs. On the left side, change the tiling size to something like 0.1. All we need to do now is to select the landscape and press Rebuild Data. If you don't see an effect, try to increase the magnitude to something like 0.4. Make sure to hit Rebuild Data to see the effect. I hope you learned something new and useful from this video. If you like this tutorial, feel free to check out my other tutorials about Unreal Engine 5. Thanks for watching and bye bye.